Generative AI, not just a possibility, but a necessity for the CEOs of today. The stakes are high and the pace of technology is relentless, leaving no room for hesitation. As a CEO, hanging back is a risk you simply can't afford. In this ever-evolving business landscape, those who fail to embrace the potential of generative AI risk being outpaced by competitors who do. Generative AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a game changer. It's transforming the way businesses operate, automating diverse tasks, and creating a wide array of content at a speed and scale previously unimaginable. From drafting emails to generating financial report summaries, it's boosting productivity and efficiency like never before. But the potential of generative AI extends far beyond automation. It's a tool for innovation, for reshaping the very fabric of your business. It's not just about doing things faster, but about doing things differently, about exploring new possibilities and breaking down barriers. However, the decision to adopt generative AI is not one to be made lightly. It's a strategic move that requires careful consideration and planning. As a CEO, you need to collaborate with your executive team to weigh the pros and cons, to assess the potential impact on your organization. Do you start small and gradually expand? Or do you go all in, embracing generative AI as a transformative force across all your business functions? The decision is yours, but one thing is clear. Generative AI is not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. It's an essential strategy for staying ahead in this digital age, for ensuring your business not only survives, but thrives. So the question is not if you should explore generative AI, but how. How can you best utilize this technology to drive your business forward? How can you harness its power to innovate, to disrupt, to lead? The cost of adopting generative AI is justified when weighed against the potential to revolutionize business operations. For the forward-thinking CEO, the choice is clear. Embrace generative AI and shape the future of your business. Generative AI's integration into existing software applications is already making waves. Imagine the modern workplace where email systems draft your messages, productivity tools create initial presentations, financial software generates report summaries, and CRM systems offer advice on customer interactions. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that's the present reality thanks to generative AI. These integrations are enhancing the productivity of knowledge workers in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. But let's not stop there. Think about software engineering. It's a field where the demands are high and the work can be labor-intensive. With generative AI, developers can use AI-based code completion tools to increase their productivity by up to 50%. That's right, 50%. It's not just about automating tasks, it's about allowing engineers to focus more on the creative and refinement aspects of their work. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Generative AI's potential is colossal, and it's not limited to boosting productivity. It's about transforming the way businesses operate, from research and development to marketing and sales to customer operations. Generative AI's potential extends far beyond immediate applications. It's a game changer in the true sense. It's an exciting journey, one that requires a clear understanding of the technology and a strategic approach to implementation. But for those CEOs willing to explore its capabilities, the rewards can be immense. The future is here and it's powered by generative AI. The generative AI ecosystem is not static. It's dynamic and continually evolving. It's much like a thriving metropolis, bustling with innovation and growth. At the heart of this ecosystem, we have the specialized hardware for training models, the unsung heroes, if you will. These are the powerhouses that crunch the vast sets of data to fuel generative AI, making it smarter and more intuitive. Then we have the cloud platforms, the virtual highways that provide access to these AI capabilities. They allow businesses of all sizes, from fledgling startups to multinational corporations, to tap into the power of generative AI without the need for substantial upfront investment in infrastructure. And let's not forget MLOps, the deployment specialists of the AI world. They ensure that AI models are not just theoretical constructs, but practical tools that can be seamlessly integrated into business operations. In this rapidly evolving landscape, companies like Cohere, Anthropic, and AI21 Labs are pushing the boundaries, building their own large language models. These pioneers are shaping the future of generative AI, making it more powerful and more versatile. But the evolution doesn't stop there. We're seeing a shift towards smaller, more efficient models. These lean machines of AI are not just about reducing computational demands, they're about democratizing the technology, making it accessible to a broader range of users and industries. The shift towards smaller, more efficient models is democratizing the technology, making it accessible to a broader range of users and industries. The future with generative AI is bright, filled with opportunities for those willing to explore its capabilities. This technology is not just a game changer, it's a new paradigm, offering immediate productivity improvements and the potential for significant transformations in how businesses operate. For CEOs, the exploration of generative AI is no longer an optional venture, but a necessary strategy. It's about staying ahead, being competitive, and driving innovation. And this isn't just about adopting a new technology, it's about incorporating a transformative force into the DNA of your business. From R&D to marketing, sales, and customer operations, generative AI can reshape every facet of your organization. But to harness its full potential, strategic planning is key. Understanding your company's unique requirements, knowing the technology, and developing a roadmap for implementation are crucial. CEOs who effectively navigate the journey into generative AI can position their companies at the forefront of this technological revolution, maintaining a competitive edge in their respective industries.